This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right now, as you watch this video, a historic transfer of wealth is happening in the stock market. And if you are sitting on cash or waiting for a correction, you are actively watching the greatest wealth building window of your entire generation slam shut in your face. While everyday retail investors are paralyzed by headlines screaming about a recession, the smartest institutions in the world are silently moving trillions of dollars out of cash and flooding into these specific hyper-growth stocks that are mathematically positioned to explode over the next 12 to 24 months. If you click off this video right now, you are turning your back on the exact technical layouts and massive dark pool volume insights that are already minting millionaires, meaning you can watch from the sidelines again or act on this data before the opening bell rings. Look, I don't just talk about these moves, I actively execute them with my community every single day. In just over a year, I took my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000, and in the exact same time frame, I scaled my $250,000 portfolio to a staggering $1.932 million, as you guys can see right there. I'm going to be teaching the exact blueprint, execution frameworks, and proprietary strategies that I use to achieve these goals, and my students in Discord, I'm going to be teaching you the exact blueprint, execution frameworks, and proprietary strategies that I use to scale these portfolios, and the same strategies I teach in my Discord in my free masterclass webinar. I'll be teaching these exact strategies today in my masterclass webinar at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. You guys do not want to miss out. The link to register is in the information box below. Time is running out. You can see on the screen, my private Discord students are locking in their own massive profits, including my $95,000 from Oracle, and yesterday on Friday, another $75,000. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar in just a few hours. Link to register is below. Also, I will have a huge announcement that you do not want to miss out on, a massive opportunity at today's webinar, and I'll be hosting a Q&A with you as well. Now, let's dive straight into the raw market data that dropped yesterday because it completely shatters the bearish narrative. The Chicago PMI, which measures manufacturing and economic health, didn't just beat expectations, it absolutely exploded, surging from a contractionary 49.2 last month all the way up to a blistering 62.7 yesterday. Wall Street consensus was only looking for a modest 50.5, meaning this massive 4-year high proves the underlying economy is running vastly hotter and healthier than mainstream media cares to admit. Concurrently, the fresh core inflation print confirms that the pricing pressures everyone was terrified of are steadily cooling down, creating the ultimate Goldilocks environment for equities. This is precisely why this stock market is rallying and why it's just getting started. As of late May 2026, right now, there is a staggering historic ocean of capital sitting completely idle on the sidelines. We're talking about over $7.78 trillion locked up in cash equivalents and money market funds earning passive yields. Now that inflation is under control and economic expansion is confirmed by the surging PMI, the $7.78 trillion is being forced to chase returns. As institutional fund managers reallocate that mountain of cash into equity markets, it is going to create a violent, relentless wave of buying pressure that will launch our top stocks into the stratosphere. The biggest mistake you can make right now is passing up on these generation-defining opportunities out of pure skepticism. Over the past couple of months, the market has proven time and time again that the bears are trapped in an old sandbox. All these doomsday prophets, including Michael Burry's highly publicized structural market bubble predictions, have completely failed to materialize. Instead of a market crash, we've witnessed a historic short squeeze environment where structural shorts are being brutally flushed out of their positions, adding absolute rocket fuel to this broader market melt up. The data doesn't care about your feelings, and it certainly doesn't care about the doomsday scrolling narratives on social media. When you have an expanding economic baseline paired with trillions of dollars in short interest and sidelines cash getting forced to buy back into the market, corrections getting bought up in a matter of hours, not days. If you are waiting for a massive market crash to finally get in, you are fighting structural institution money inflows, and you will get left behind as the market marches on towards new milestones without you. Let's dive right in and talk about the number 3 stock that you should potentially add to your portfolio. But first, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock, and do your own due diligence. Protect your capital. The market is risky, no guarantees. Protect your money and make sure that any of the stocks I talk about fit your own personal goals and investing needs. Be safe out there and be safe in this market. The number 3 stock to potentially add to your portfolio right now is Navitas. Navitas Semiconductor is the absolute pioneer and global leader in next generation gallium nitride, GaN, and power integrated circuits, which are rapidly replacing traditional silicon chips because they run up to 20 times faster. They handle higher voltages and reduce energy loss by up to 50%. This specialized tech is the backbone for the rapid infrastructure expansions we are seeing in electric vehicle powertrain systems, mobile fast charging, and massive AI data center power supplies where thermal efficiency is everything. Navitas has continued to aggressively scale its commercial footprint, pushing revenue rapidly higher quarter over quarter as major smartphone OEMs and tier 1 automotive suppliers fully integrate their GaN fast technology, making them an essential infrastructure play for the future of power efficiency. The time to buy Navitas is right now because Wall Street analysts have completely re-rated the stock following their major technological milestones earlier this year. A wave of recent analyst upgrades has poured in, highlighting that the market is severely underestimating Navitas' 25% short float squeeze potential and its newly minted tier 1 partnerships. The consensus 1-year price target has been revised heavily upward to over $30, with top-tier analyst estimates sitting between $35 and $40, representing an immense near-term upside from its current consolidation zones in the mid to high 20s. Looking out further to the 3 to 5 year horizon, institutional price targets project Navitas could hit as high as $50, pushing past the $35 to $40 target as GaN technology completely standardizes across the entire semiconductor and clean energy landscape. Moving along to the number 2 stock, Applied Digital. Applied Digital designs, builds, and operates massive next-generational digital infrastructure in ultra-dense data centers specifically tailored for massive performance computing and massive artificial intelligence workloads. They aren't just renting out basic server space, they provide the highly advanced, high-power density, liquid-cooled data center environments that are required to run heavy generative AI models and massive GPU clusters. They have scaled their revenue streams exponentially over the past fiscal year, securing major multi-million-dollar year anchor tenant contracts and generating record-breaking cash flow as hyperscalers scramble to secure any available high-performance computing space in North America. Applied Digital is an absolute screaming buy at the current levels because they are sitting on the physical real estate and power allocations that tech giants are desperate to acquire. Recent analyst upgrades have heavily upgraded Applied Digital, citing its massive backlog of contracted revenue and its brilliant pivot into premium AI cloud services. Wall Street has a 1-year consensus price target that's been pushed up significantly into the $50 range, with aggressive street highs pointing to an immediate almost double in the $80 to $100 range. Over the next 3 to 5 years, as AI cluster demand outpaces physical power grid availability, analysts project that Applied Digital could skyrocket towards $100 to $150, making it one of the cleanest pure-play infrastructure winners of this entire hardware cycle. Before I reveal the absolute number 1 stock on this list, the one that I believe that is the highest mathematical certainty to explode next, let me remind you that I will be mapping out the precise entries, exits, and dark pool levels for all 3 of these tickers live in my webinar today, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, just a few hours from now. The strategies that I'm going to be covering are the exact reason my accounts and my students' accounts are all the way up and look the way they do. Do not let another massive weekly run or yearly run happen without you. Click the link below in the information box to lock in your spot before it's too late. Registrations are about to close. Students in my Discord have been reaping the benefits of Navitas, Oracle, Applied Digital, AMD, Palantir, and dozens of other plays, including Micron, that we crushed on and made a lot of money. If you guys want to understand how this is possible, maybe you're doing it wrong, maybe you just don't understand, let me break it all down for you in the webinar today. You do not want to miss this opportunity. Link to register is below. The number 1 absolute best investment opportunity on the board today is none other than Oracle. Oracle has completed one of the most stunning fundamental transformations in corporate history, shifting from a legacy database software giant into an elite hypergrowth AI cloud infrastructure beast. As you guys can see right there, I made over $95,000 on puts, and I'm up right now over $75,000. And if Oracle keeps running, I could close over $250,000 just in Oracle in the last 2 months alone. Their Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI, is fundamentally superior in speed and cost efficiency for training AI models, which is why absolute giants like NVIDIA and OpenAI are actively partnering with Oracle. Oracle also recently shocked the entire tech sector by signing a historic, unprecedented $30 billion cloud infrastructure agreement with the U.S. government for national defense and AI security applications. Their remaining performance obligation, or RPO, has ballooned by over 325% year over year to a jaw-dropping $530 billion, proving their enterprise cloud demand is vastly outstripping their current capacity. Oracle is a must-buy right now because it represents the perfect combination of rock-solid enterprise, stability, and explosive AI-driven growth. Wall Street has aggressively upgraded Oracle across the board, with heavy institutional firms like JP Morgan initiating a major overweight rating and setting fresh price targets. The average one-year analyst price target has been revised upwards to $250 plus, with institutional Wall Street highs targeting a massive $300 near-term breakout, which we could see by the end of this summer, the way things are going. In the 3 to 5 year macro window, as OCI fully materializes in tens of billions in backlog contracts, top analysts project Oracle to scale past $400 to $500 stock price, cementing it as the foundational cloud winner of the decade. I told my Discord to get into Oracle at $138 last month. If you were in the Discord, you would have had that announcement, and I've talked about Oracle here on YouTube quite a bit. The macro numbers are aligned. The Chicago PMI proves the economic engine is roaring. The short-term sellers are cooked, and trillions of dollars are about to flood into Navitas, Applied Digital, Oracle, and the stock market. The train is leaving the station, and you have a choice to make right now. Be a spectator or be a profitable participant. Do not miss my exclusive webinar today in just a few hours at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, so you don't miss trades and opportunities just like Oracle and Navitas. I will be handing you my proprietary technical, dark pool, and psychological strategies that allowed me to turn my $250,000 account into $1.932 million, $1,932,000 in 1 year, and my $900 micro challenge account to a whopping $9,000. This is over 1,000% return in the same time frame. Spots are critically low right now. We're getting ready to close registrations. Use the link below to register for today's webinar before it's over. I look forward to seeing you in the webinar today and in the Discord real soon. One love, fam.